A lot of industrial equipment is designed to work on multiple different input voltages. Many welders are designed to be 208 230 volts AC, or 230 460, 460 580, or 120 230. You'd think that these options would be an example of quality, user-centric design, but the vast majority of industrial equipment does not automatically adjust to different input voltages. There is usually some kind of hidden tab somewhere inside the machine that you have to adjust in order to make the machine operate properly on the desired input voltage. Middle market Miller machines usually hide the tab behind the spool of wire. Many of these machines say they are 200 to 230, and they're shipped with the tab set on 200. 200 is usually referred to as 208 or a crazy leg. It comes from taking a center tap or ground tap off a Delta 230 transformer, and I think that it was used once back in the 50s for a commercial lighting circuit on some defunct fluorescent ballasts. But I've never seen one in real life, and I don't know why it would ever be in an outlet. I get a lot of Millermatic 252s that ostensibly aren't working, but when I change the tab from 200 to 230, it works just fine. These little old Lincolns are 208 580, but you've got a couple of things that you have to mess with in order to adjust the input voltage. If you fail to adjust the input voltage properly, you'll blow a fuse that protects the control transformer. Millers usually just operate poorly if the input voltage is wrong, while Lincolns often have a fuse in line with the control transformer. Most larger Lincolns have some kind of panel on the back of the machine that hides voltage tabs. If you're going to operate a Lincoln that you haven't operated before, I would suggest inspecting the panels on the back before applying power to it. Newer Millers may have a 230-460 interconnect panel indicated by this little hidden window on the side. These machines usually ship without a plug attached. If there is a solid plastic 230 plug, then the machine is probably hardwired for 230 and may not be adjustable for voltage. Most plasma cutters don't require any adjustment, but some have a high-low toggle on the back where you can use a flathead screwdriver to adjust between 208 230 and 460. You should probably read the manual and check your wall voltage to confirm that it is within a tolerance. I've never seen any voltage selection hardware within the case of a plasma cutter.